In an effort to better promote Purdue University's Brian Lamb School of Communication to undergraduates, Group 1 has developed a set of recommendations to overcome challenges and optimize the opportunities the program is presented with today. This presentation will cover the communication problems that the BLSC is encountering, as perceived by Purdue University undergraduate students, the survey structure with key findings, and lastly, evidence-based recommendations based on 3 methods of analysis, including thematic analysis with coding of qualitative data, descriptive statistics tools using mathematical formulas, and inferential statistics using SPSS software. Skills development, future career paths, and compensation are important issues for students at Purdue University, as revealed through qualitative research and the analysis of the open-ended survey questions concerning the advantages and disadvantages of being a communication major or minor in the BLSC. 2 major problems were discovered from the survey results. Students had low awareness and negative perceptions of the programs within the BLSC and held low opinions regarding career opportunities for communication majors. Despite the small sample size of the survey respondents, the data revealed gaps between areas of top importance for students and the school's ability to meet those needs in an effective way. While there were many unique ways to look at all of the data through statistical software, the results that may benefit the BLSC the most would be the comparison between the issues in considering a major or minor and actually choosing a communication major or minor. Both statements use the same 8 criteria, so a cross-tabulation was created to examine the responses. There were significant differences between program reputation and income potential. Students responded that program reputation is an extremely important element of choosing a major or minor, versus the response average, which suggested that receiving a communication major or minor based on the BLSC reputation is neither important nor unimportant. Income potential was another criterion that was extremely important to students when considering a focus in communication. However, respondents neither agreed nor disagreed that a degree from the school would be financially rewarding. This qualitative and quantitative data points to an opportunity for the BLSC to promote future careers and salary potential to students in order to increase enrollment and positive perceptions of a communication degree. Variables were input for a t-test with paired sample statistics showing the means of anticipated future income potential on selecting a major or minor of 4.03, and a degree from the BLSC will be financially rewarding of 3.31. The standard deviation is 1.040, which could be considered statistically significant. This quantitative data aligns with the descriptive statistics results that the BLSC should promote future careers and salary potential to students to generate interest in a communication degree. 2 chi-square tests were used to study the relationship between communication majors and non-majors with their knowledge and perceptions of Brian Lamb. The first test showed that of the 44 communication students, 36 knew of Brian Lamb and 8 did not. The second chi-square test analyzed the pattern of how communication students responded on the basis of the program's reputation and namesake. This showed that of the 44 communication students that responded, 17 said that it makes no difference at all, and 22 said that it is somewhat more valuable, that the program is called the Brian Lamb School of Communication. The results of this data imply that students should be more aware of the communication school's namesake and his contributions. Doing so would increase school's reputation, positive perception that a degree from the communication program is indeed valuable. Group 1 is proposing 3 evidence-based recommendations that were constructed using data collected from the survey and through social media channels. The first recommendation helps to connect the dots between the communication field, the BLSC, potential careers, and compensation by using strategic messaging across a variety of channels. Within a future-ready umbrella theme, the marketing plan will create a clear value proposition to students and key influencers. This could be achieved by refocusing all BLSC information, positioning, and key messages about the program and careers that align with top priorities for students. This updated information would be communicated on the school's website, social media outlets, and program catalog. A facet of this would be to increase Brian Lamb School of Communications' social media followers and allow engagement with students. A few examples of tactics to be used include a social media campaign using hashtag BLS Careers, which would focus on alumni and graduate students who provide career insights and experiences, as well as anecdotes, print and video campaign, which would highlight current BLSC students. This campaign would share their success stories throughout campus via posters and short stories posted on the website and social media outlets. The second recommendation involves transitioning the greater band equity from Purdue University to the Brian Lamb School of Communication. Action points include revise the Purdue website academics page to include media visionaries and link this to the BLSC site. BLSC's communications reinforce that the program is on par with all other schools at Purdue, emphasize benefits to students of the alignment of the BLSC within an institution known for its strengths in science, engineering, and business, and engage key influencers such as professors and honor students from other Purdue programs to endorse the communication program. The final recommendation would be to increase the recognition of the Brian Lamb brand and define the value proposition. Since Brian Lamb was only known by a minority of the respondents, and communication majors were not confident in the value that the name conveyed, there needs to be a clearly defined value associated with the brand. Attributes such as vision, leadership, influence, and business acumen should be promoted consistently to students, both in the program and to non-majors. These attributes should be tied to how they can benefit students and how this can translate into future careers. This should be effectively communicated in the classrooms, as well as on social media channels. A more prominent Brian Lamb page would be the BLSC website would also be helpful. In conclusion, the challenges and opportunities before the Brian Lamb School of Communication involve issues in effective communication and can be addressed through an integrated strategic marketing plan. The proposed data-driven initiative may require additional qualitative and quantitative research to build further on the 2014 survey. Group 1 has analyzed the data using various statistical methods and is excited about the recommendations to offer the Brian Lamb School of Communication. Thank you for your time and consideration.